Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a valve cover gasket. First, gather your tools, including a socket set, torque wrench, and a new gasket. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any repairs. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. Next, you'll need to remove anything that's in the way, like the ignition coil pack or wiring harnesses. Then, carefully loosen and remove the valve cover bolts, often working from the outside in. Once all bolts are out, gently pry the valve cover off. The old gasket will likely be stuck to the cover or the engine head. Before installing the new gasket, it's crucial to clean both mating surfaces thoroughly. Remove all old gasket material and oil residue. A clean surface ensures a proper seal. Place the new gasket onto the valve cover, ensuring it sits correctly in its groove. Then, carefully position the valve cover back onto the engine head. Finally, reinstall the valve cover bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specified torque, often in a specific sequence. Reconnect any components you removed, like the ignition coils and wiring. Don't forget to reattach the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, carefully checking for any oil leaks around the new gasket.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.